How to fix there are currently no power options available. Hey everyone, let's get started with today's video. For the first solution, tap in on Type here to search and search for troubleshooting settings. Now click on additional troubleshooters. Once you tap on it, it will open a new page. Hereby, on the find and fix other problems, you have to scroll down to find power and then tap on run the troubleshooter. This will now detect any kind of problem and solve it if it exists. Once it has been detected and solved, we can move on for the second solution. For that, again type in Type here to search and search for Registry Editor. Under Registry Editor, we have to click on this first option, which is H key local machine. Under that, you have to click in Software folder. Double tap on Software and again scroll down to find the option of Microsoft. Double click on it. Again scroll down and we have to search for Windows. Make sure to find it and scroll down until you find it. Once you have found so, double click on Windows as well. Under Windows, we have to search for current version. Under this folder, we have to search for policies. So scroll down until you find it and double tap on it. Again under that, click on Explorer. If here is a folder called as No Close, then you do not have to make any changes. However, if you do not have that, right click on the screen and click on the third option of DWD registry, and then you have to make a folder called as No Close. Make sure that both N and C is in capital letters. After that, you can click on it and change the value to 0. So these are the changes you have to make in this editor. Now we have to move on for the next option. For that, open command prompt on your device. We are supposed to give two commands here. The commands are taskkill/imexplorer.exe/f. Doing so will turn your screen to black. Once it is successful, you have to tap in explorer.exe. This should probably fix your problems. However, if it is still creating an issue, you can restart your device and this should solve the problem definitely. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.